5 places on Earth science still can't explain. There are places on Earth so mysterious, so unexplainable, that even our most brilliant minds are left scratching their heads. In an age where satellites map our oceans and AI writes poetry, you'd think we've figured it all out. But Earth has its secrets. Welcome to 5 places on this planet that science still can't explain. 1. The Devil's Kettle, Minnesota, USA. Nestled in the forests of northern Minnesota lies a river with a secret. At first glance, it's just another beautiful waterfall. But then something strange happens. The river splits in two. One side flows downstream, normal, predictable. But the other, it drops into a massive hole in the rock and disappears. Scientists have tried everything to trace where the water goes. They've poured in dyes, ping pong balls, even GPS trackers. Nothing ever comes out the other side. It's as if the water is vanishing into another dimension. Some say there's an undiscovered underground cave system. Others believe it may flow into a deep fracture in the Earth's crust. But the truth? No one knows. 2. The Boiling River, Amazon, Peru. Deep within the Amazon rainforest, hidden far from any volcano or geothermal hotspot, there flows a river that boils. Temperatures in this river reach over 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Small animals that fall in are instantly cooked alive. Birds avoid flying too close. Insects sizzle on the surface. Yet there are no known volcanic systems nearby. No magma chambers. No thermal vents. Local shamans say it's sacred, guarded by the spirit of the jungle, punishing those who disrespect the forest. Scientists have visited, taken measurements, samples, even thermal readings. And yet, no definitive explanation has emerged. How does this river defy geological logic? And why does no other place on Earth match its bizarre behavior? 3. The Hessdalen Lights, Norway. Since the 1930s, residents in Norway's remote Hessdalen Valley have witnessed something strange in the skies. Glowing orbs, floating lights, silent, and unlike anything known to man. They flash blue, white, yellow. Sometimes they hover for minutes. Other times they dart away at impossible speeds. Scientists have set up monitoring stations. Cameras have captured them. Instruments record electromagnetic surges right before they appear. But no theory sticks. Are they natural plasma formations or something else? Some believe they're atmospheric anomalies. Others whisper about UFOs, unidentified visitors. To this day, the lights return, silent, mysterious, unexplained. The Zone of Silence. In the deserts of northern Mexico, near the Mapimi Biosphere Reserve, there exists a place the locals fear, and scientists avoid. It's called the Zone of Silence. Radios stop working here. Compasses spin wildly. GPS loses signal. Even birds avoid flying overhead. In the 1970s, a NASA test missile mysteriously veered off course and crashed directly into the zone. Engineers had no explanation for the trajectory shift. Plants grow differently here. Mutations in local wildlife have been reported. Time seems to behave strangely. Is it a magnetic anomaly? A buried meteorite? Or is it something beyond science, something we're not meant to find? 5. Lake Natron, Tanzania. Blood red and still, Lake Natron in Tanzania looks like something from another world. Its waters are so alkaline, so filled with sodium carbonate and other minerals, that they burn skin on contact. Any animal that touches the water is quickly calcified, turned to stone. Their bodies are preserved like statues, frozen in time along the lake's shore. And yet, amidst this deadly water, life flourishes. Flamingos gather here by the thousands. Their legs withstand the alkaline burns. They build nests on salt islands, raising chicks in what looks like a crimson graveyard. Why can they survive when everything else dies? Science offers theories, sure. Evolution, resistance, habitat specialization. But none are fully satisfying. The lake remains both beautiful and terrifying. We like to think we understand our world, that science has the answers, that everything can be measured, explained, or mapped. But then we find a hole that swallows rivers, a valley that glows at night, a lake that petrifies life, and we realize Earth is still full of mystery. Maybe these places aren't broken. Maybe they're not glitches in nature. Maybe they're reminders that we're not done learning, not done discovering, and definitely not done wondering. Stay curious, stay questioning, and if you enjoyed this strange journey, hit subscribe. For more mysteries Earth has yet to reveal,